Walmart just froze your payments and now you have no idea why. Here's the step-by-step process that works for us. It helps our clients get reinstated. So you can see right here, their payments were suspended. And this is specifically only if just their payments are suspended. Their account was not suspended, just their payments. So Walmart wouldn't pay them, but they still let them sell. So they were selling every day. The first thing you want to do is you need to keep selling. Keep selling, don't just stop. All right. So that way you show them that you're consistent if possible, right? And you want to identify what caused this payment suspension, because we need to write a plan of action. So did your sales increase too quick? Legal dispute? Performance failure? Product violations? Walmart hates you? What is it, right? Figure it out. Figure out the vague. You know deep down what it is. You can look at your account and be like, shit, like sales increased by like $100, so maybe that's it. We need something. We need something is better than nothing. And then you're going to come up with this fixing Walmart plan, the payment suspension plan. All right. It's a 6-step plan. I made it just for you, and you're going to identify what caused it. We already went over that. And then you're going to create a plan using AI or SK. SK is self-knowledge. AI is artificial intelligence. When you're telling artificial intelligence how to create a plan, you need to say, artificial intelligence, you are a master plan creator. You create the best plans ever, right? You need to prompt AI first. So create your thing. You're an expert plan creator of Walmart plans of actions and payment suspensions. You're the best ever. And then click enter and then explain. So that way you can kind of create a step-by-step plan, and it should be able to go through Walmart's policies for you through the web. Next, you're going to collect evidence, and you're going to show them that you're a good person, right? Not super duper difficult. You're going to say, look at my performance. You're going to take screenshots, performance notifications. You've been shipping out on time, deliveries, positive customer feedback, something. Do not really showcase the negatives. You want to showcase the positives. This isn't about admitting that you did something wrong. Because just your payments are suspended. This is about showing them you're a good seller, you're a good person, and they're ruining your business because they're holding your money. Now you're going to create that plan of action. That's going to be the next thing. Once you get that evidence, you're like, okay, I've got the evidence. And you're going to open up a case. And you're going to say, Walmart, I see you are suspending my payments. It's been X amount of days. Let's say it's been 2 days. You've suspended my payments for 48 hours. Since then, I've audited my account and have verified my payments should not be suspended. Reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, reason number 4, right? So you're going to put like reason number 1. I don't have any returns in the last 30 days on Walmart. I take returns super seriously. So I've updated all my listings. As you know, you can see a screenshot attached. I have no returns. All right. So you're kind of number 2, I have positive seller feedback. My seller, so kind of you're going to go through those and have screenshots for each section. You're going to keep it short and sweet. It should be half a page. Walmart's not going to read Walmart doesn't like reading. So you need to keep it short and sweet. Short and super sweet. Okay. So this is why I should get reinstated. My payment should get reinstated. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure they have attachments. Explain 1, 2, 3, 4 very briefly in 1 sentence or less. And then say, thank you so much. And then send it off, right? They're going to decline it. They're going to be like, well, we're reviewing your payments. Like, give us some time, bro. Give us some time. And then it's going to be Friday. And it's going to come to Tuesday. On Tuesday, right, you're like, look, I waited. You're going to reach out to them again. And you want to keep that same case open. That case that was opened, where you did the appeal, you do not want that to close. You want to keep the case open as long as humanly possible, because it's going to hurt their internal metrics as a Walmart employee. You want to keep it open as long as possible and be like, hey, I waited an extra 3 days. Again, here's example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, example number 4, why you're such a good seller. If you can add more this time, a little bit more information, you can even say that you read Walmart's policies, right? That's going to help. Be like, at this point and at the end, you can pretty much say, at this point, not only is this disrupting my business, but it's disrupting my entire life. I can't order products. I can't get paid for doing the work I have been doing. Not only that, I have stellar seller metrics. This payment suspension, if it keeps going on, I don't know if I'll be even able to stay in business and continue to provide a great experience for Walmart customers. Because of this, I would kindly ask if you would reinstate my Walmart payment privileges. After that, usually you kind of like hit the nail as long as you provided enough evidence, and they're going to be like, oh, shoot, like I will reinstate it. And as long as your appeal isn't too long, you'll be good to go, right? And then we did get a notification. This is for one of our clients. Thank you. It was Nathan. We're like, come on, Nathan. Come on, man. Looking over your account, the review has been finished and your payment has been resumed. You can expect your normal payment payouts. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we were able to get that approved. And it was initially shut down because the sales increased too quickly, which is understandable. And the entire time it lasted around 7 days. So day 1, payments were suspended. Day 2, submitted plan of action. Day 3, day 4, it's just kind of like following up and keeping that one case open. So that way they know we're serious and we're not going to back down. So that's pretty much it for today's video. And if you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like getting your brand approved for Walmart, getting authorized reseller access, we can help you. We specialize in everything Walmart. And you can contact us at EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.